guys, welcome back. I know we're doing things a little different on my intro, but this is going to be an unboxing as you see. So let's get straight into it. I really love this company, Madam Glam, because they're 100% vegan and they have recycled material, and I really love that. So let's get into these pretty 4 colors that I picked out from their newest collection that's dropping May 1st. I absolutely love these colors. I'm also going to do swatches for you guys, so let's Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do not forget to use my code on madamglam.com, blessed by 40, to save you some coins. Peace out, y'all.